Rightio, if you watch season 1, you know this dance is going to do a wrap. Exactly the same as the salad rolls we've done in season 1, but here we're going to do a wrap instead. So, got some deli ham for this one. I brought far too much of it, so I'm going to make it pretty thick here. Fridge. Alright. Again, the old 4-decker Sistema container. Layering up with the tomato. Fly tube. Some cucumber. Beetroot. I've got grated carrot in there, but I'm not going to worry about it for this one. Some onion. Love the red onion, plenty of that on there. Something quick and easy to do on the side of the road while we're travelling around. Some lettuce. Heaps of lettuce on there. One problem with travelling, and I've done it today, sat in there and spent most of the day just gnawing on a packet of chips, and yeah, it fills you up at the time, but it's not the best to be doing. What's that? Top. Some Nando's peri-peri dressing. Yeah, just eating junk. While you're on the road, and it catches up with you in the end. Drizzle of that. You can't see because that's all in the way. That's even wrapped up. 10 minutes tops on the side of the road, and you're good to go. Without losing all down the end. Brushing off the fingers. This next section is probably the biggest worry I had on the whole trip. 200 odd k's getting across the Silver City Highway, across the dirt, so I planned for 3.5 hours. It'll get me in the Tibooburra by about 5:30. We're going to see how that goes. If I can't get there, it doesn't matter, but that's the goal, or the point to aim to for the end of the day. So I'm going to finish this. Might throw the drone up for 5 minutes and head on to Tibooburra.